In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can live stream games on TikTok from a PC. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is actually open up a new browser and search specifically for TikTok Live Studio. Hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and go ahead and select download Live Studio, and from here select download for Windows. You're going to see the installer download up in the top right. Go ahead and select it to open it up and hit yes. And then from here, go ahead and select install now. Now, it shouldn't take too long for this to actually download for you. And once it does finish, simply go ahead and hit open, and it's going to open up TikTok Live Studio. Once it opens up, simply go ahead and hit login to begin and sign in to your TikTok. And whenever you do get signed in, what you're going to want to do is hit get started. Choose gaming live as your stream type, and then from here go ahead and select your microphone, and if you do have a camera as well, you can go ahead and select your camera on here. In this case though, I'm just going to leave it set to my game capture. Hit enter, and once you are on here, it's going to check for your upload speed, which mine's pretty bad right now if I'm being honest. And it'll go ahead and check your hardware just to make sure it's good as well. Make sure that you select 1080p 60 FPS and hit continue. And from here, what I would recommend doing is selecting landscape for gaming, just because it usually will work best. But you can also choose portrait, especially if you plan to add a camera to fill the screen. But essentially, go ahead and select whatever one you want, hit finish. And after you go ahead and do this, you are going to be on your TikTok Live Studio. And there's a bunch of stuff that you can customize on here. If you want to add a webcam, hit add source over on this left-hand sidebar. And you can add so much stuff in here as well. And you could switch it to mobile view to see exactly what it's going to look like on someone else's screen, which is super convenient. Once you go ahead and get this set up the way that you want, you're going to see a go live option down here. Essentially, go ahead and select go live at the bottom. But before you can stream, you will need to apply for TikTok Live Studio access. So click apply, complete the short application, and submit it for review. Once you are approved, come back to Live Studio, select go live, and you'll be able to start streaming games here on TikTok. It really is as simple as that. For example, I was going to stream Roblox down in the background. But yeah, if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.